Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing software barriers, update the Solo 4 firmware, and pair with a device that supports the best Bluetooth codec available. Next, open your device or app EQ and boost the 60 to 120 Hz band by 3 to 6 dB. That directly increases perceived bass. Once done, slightly reduce the 250 to 500 Hz range to avoid muddiness. Also make sure you're playing high bitrate or lossless files, so the added low end stays tight and defined. Once your EQ is set, focus on physical seal. Adjust the headband and ear cups so they sit snugly. On-ear headphones get much more bass with better contact. Then, use a gentle low-shelf DSP or a bass enhancer plugin rather than narrow peak boosts. That produces a fuller sound without distortion. Make sure to compare warm EQ curves against neutral ones and check results with several bass-heavy reference tracks. If you switch devices, repeat the EQ quickly, because source tuning changes the response. Finish by dialing playback gain up carefully. If you hear distortion, back off immediately. Toggle active noise cancellation and transparency modes because ANC behavior can either enhance or thin low frequencies. If you still need more, swap to a different source or app and try small incremental EQ boosts until the bass is powerful but clean. Troubleshooting tip. If bass sounds thin or boomy, reseat the cups and test another track and device. Often the issue is fit or a low-quality source rather.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.